Back when Dorian was meant to hit Florida, I had a feeling it was going to miss, but another hurricane was going to come and hit Florida. And now I think I know which hurricane it is. Red Rain Rebekah. R.L. Stein. Red Rain Rebekah. It's not because of that, I just thought of that then. R for red, R for rain, R for Rebekah. It's not for that reason. It's something that happened today, earlier today. Steamboat Geyser, I think, is going to give a warning sign for what I just said. Hurricane Rebekah. It's 8:25 p.m. Friday, 27th of September 2019. In the world today, what's happening? In the world today, what's happening? Oh yeah. Monster snake. Found inside home. Already opened that. It's a big red belly black snake. This was kind of weird because I've just, spent a couple of hours writing something about snakes. And so this comes up. A 1.8 meter red belly black snake found in someone's home in Queensland. A brat snake. Not a bad snake, but it will make you sick. A bit like eating daffodil bulbs. It'll make you sick. Not a good idea. It was abnormally large. And speaking of abnormally large, Hurricane Lorenzo is abnormally large. He's a serpent as well. He's a big, strong, powerful, athletic serpent hurricane. See, serpent and hurricane have the same value, and that is 97. Reflection is 105. Twins, 85. Storm is 85. Tropical cyclone, 171. It's the value of tropical cyclone. 17.1 in Perth. 10.7 in Adelaide. 8.5 in Hobart. Triangular is 121, and it's 12.1 in Canberra. Triangular. 2 storms have made big landfall impacts in the, let's say on the American side of the Atlantic. Imelda and Dorian. Dorian and Imelda. There's a third one, and now I think I know which one that is. Yes, I believe it is Rebekah. Rebekah. 4:27. That's the time right now in Wyoming. 4:27. It's my birthday, 27th of April. Mountain Daylight Time. Wyoming. It's going to be 1:47. 1:47 a.m. on Tuesday, the 1st of October. Steamboat Geyser is going to warn us for Hurricane Rebekah. Well, not us. You, if you live in this part of the world. Hurricane Rebekah, a Halloween hurricane, I'm thinking. Halloween. That's when I found this book. I wrote Red Rain equals 69, and I found the book a couple of hours later. Didn't go looking for it. It just happened to be there, where I was sitting, in the library. Red Rain. Identical twins, Daniel and Samuel. Red Rain, Rebekah's eel fangs. Venom of evil snakes. The 69th major eruption of Steamboat Geyser came at 6:22 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time on Wednesday 25th of September 2019, after an interval of 7 days, 6 hours and 40 minutes. Thicket equals 76. Pain, 40. So this is about an evil snake. a demon snake named Rebekah. 2342 was the previous eruption on Tuesday 17th of September 2019. The interval 7 days 6 hours 40 minutes, and the most recent major eruption of Steamboat Geyser 6:22 a.m. Wednesday 25th of September 2019. Wicked equals 55. 5 fives are 25. Baddie 25. She's the wicked baddie. As a hurricane in 2019, Rebekah is the evil twin of Dorian. Venomous Rebekah 174. Venomous snake. Violent cyclone. Freakish hurricane. 174. 174 hours is 7 days and 6 hours. Thicket 76. Venomous Rebekah 174. Venomous snake, violent cyclone, freakish hurricane. Rebekah on Halloween. It's the same interval. 174 hours and 40 minutes. Bad name 40. Zombie 70. The 70th major eruption of Steamboat Geyser is coming at 1:47 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time on Tuesday, 1st of September 2019. This coming Tuesday, 1:47 a.m. (147), a reflection of 174. Venomous Rebekah 174. The next eruption at 1:47 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Disc Jockey Ming. Freakish Zombie. Boy Lorenzo. Boy's Warning. Date of Steamboat. 147. That's the time. That's the time. This time, the interval is 5 days, 19 hours, and 25 minutes. It brings us to 1:47. The time of the warning is 1:47. The warning of Steamboat Geyser. The twin nostrils of the good dragon, the good snake. Steamboat Geyser, the good serpent. 5 days and 19 hours equals 139 hours. So Steamboat Geyser's last major eruption was on the same day that Lorenzo became a hurricane, 25th of September. The interval is going to be 5 days and 19 hours, or 139 hours. It's the same interval. Serpent Lady, 139. Hurricane Lady. Deceptive Rebekah, 139. 13 plus 9 is 22. Eel, 22. The twins, Daniel and Samuel, in Red Rain. Identical twins. They're always the same sex. Always the same sex. Deceptive Rebekah, 139. Bad face equals 22. 622 plus 139 hours and 25 minutes is 1:47. Wednesday the 25th of September and Tuesday the 1st of October 2019. Halloween of Jacob, Bad Boy Prophet. Philip Kelly, Jacob's Serpent. Serpent, Snake. Jacob's Hurricane was dangerous. Evil Lady, Major Hurricane Rebekah. The time is going to be 1:47. Hurricane Rebekah, 1:47. Nathan, Jacob's Snake, was bad. Rebekah. She's coming. She's the evil twin of Dorian. Evil triplet, Imelda, Dorian, and Rebekah. Lorenzo is a good snake. Powerful, but good. A good, powerful snake. The last name used in 1989 was Karen. That's where they stopped in 1989. There was no L storm in 1989. But there was in 2019. And this is him. Lorenzo. On the 26th of September 2019. Beastly Lorenzo. Beastly because he's big and powerful. Intimidating if you're in a little boat. And I was banging on for ages about Gabrielle. So when I read this morning, kind of blew me away. I was banging on about Gabrielle because G starts with the letter G. Gee, I wonder who the good snake boy is. Lorenzo's location. The only comparable hurricane in recent times near Lorenzo's location was Gabrielle of 1989. Yeah. When I saw that this morning, I was like, wow. So, Gabriel, the angel. Lorenzo, the good snake, the good serpent. Powerful. Hurricane Lorenzo, the strongest hurricane on record in the eastern Atlantic Ocean. He's got a nice defined eye. Big, powerful serpent boy. Big, powerful hurricane boy. A good snake, but also a little bit of a brat. Just a little bit of a brat. Big and powerful, and a bit of a brat at the same time. That's Lorenzo. Why is he a brat? Steamboat Geezer told us so. Already told us that. Already gave us that information. Steamboat. 1 day, 22 hours and 14 minutes since its last eruption. 6 days and 2 hours is 146 hours. Brat Lorenzo is 146. So here's our most recent eruption. 6:22 AM Mountain Daylight Time on Wednesday the 25th of September 2019. 7 days, 6 hours, 40 minutes. Thicket, 76. 7 days and 6 hours is 174 hours. 174 is Puff the Magic Dragon. The good dragon, the good snake, the one that gives the warning for the evil snake. And I've been wondering, what is the evil snake? Hurricane Gabrielle, 168. It wasn't that one. Prophecy, 106. Wyoming, 106. We've got 10.8 in Canberra and 10.8 in Melbourne. Hurricane Lorenzo is 202. We've got him right now, Hurricane Lorenzo. Storm is 85. And what do snakes do? They writhe around, because they're a big eel. Kind of. Writhing, 108. Writhing. A big writhing snake. A big writhing... Oh, that one was evil. Dorian was evil. Dorian. If you go to Google, Dorian, take away name meaning, then what do we get? Probably the hurricane mostly. Dorian. No, we get this. I wasn't expecting that, but it kind of fits in a way. Dorian. Dorian. Dorian Greeks. It's a Greek name. Oscar Wilde The picture of Dorian Gray. Yeah, right. Anyway, our big brat snake, our good brat, Lorenzo, well, he's doing his thing today. Juggernaut, churning in the Atlantic Ocean. Why is he a brat? Maybe he heads to the UK. Maybe he's a vandal in the UK. He was in 2013. His remnant energy became the St. Jude's storm in 2013. 6 years ago. Martin guessed Lorenzo. All the bad boys guessed Lorenzo. Nearly all of them. Except for William. William guessed Ingrid. Lorenzo. The L name. The L name of 2019. He's a major hurricane. Record breaking. For that part of the Atlantic. Is he going to head to the UK and do some vandalism? Probably. That's what brats do. They're vandals. Loving heart, but a bratty personality. Maybe that's it. I think that's it. In 2019, that's Lorenzo. And Rebekah, well, she's the twin of Dorian. And to get a picture of Dorian, really, to get a true picture of Dorian, you have to picture the picture. You have to picture the picture. The picture of Dorian Gray is what you need to picture to get a picture of Dorian. Who Dorian is, what he was. A monster. Forever young, forever cursed. The picture of Dorian Gray. So, it kind of does fit. Rebekah, the twin that has a good name. Rebekah. So I thought, okay, that's what I did this morning. I googled Rebekah. Rebekah. Spelt that way. Rebekah. And what I found truly surprised me. The mother of Jacob and Esau. They were twins in the Bible. So she's a good character in the Bible because she's the one who saved Jacob. She's the mother. She also wisely saved Jacob from the wrath of his brother Esau by advising Jacob to flee to her brother Laban when Esau sought Jacob's death. She's considered a prophetess and a woman of great virtue. In Christian tradition, she is one of the ancestors of Jesus. But I've had a feeling all along there's a name that is a good name that's going to be an evil hurricane. Like Michael last year. Michael, a good name, good angel, archangel, in Christianity, according to tradition, but an evil hurricane. Twins, 85. Storm, 85. Prophecy, 106. Hurricane Gabriel, 168. Philip Andrew Kelly, 212. Hurricane Lorenzo, 202. You see? Symbolism. Rebekah. It's the only name left. Melissa means honeybee. And I was thinking Melissa might be the one. I don't think there's any talk of Melissa yet. Well, there's not. This is the latest blog from Weather Underground. And there's no mention of Melissa. Or anything that might be Melissa in that blog, at least. What about if we go back to the main page. I think there'll be nothing on Melissa. I don't think there's any other storms forming at the moment. Not yet. The next one will be Melissa, then Nestor, and then Olga. That's the story we were just looking at, A Tale of Two Atlantic Systems. While Lorenzo rages a Category 4 strength. Climate change on pace to have sweeping and severe consequences for humanity. Slow-moving tropical cyclones grow more common. Usually you'd say after such a busy hurricane season, you'd say, oh well, that's probably it now. You know, you'd think so, wouldn't you? But you've got to remember, climate change means there is more heat, a lot more heat in the oceans. And October, you can get pretty damn big hurricanes right through October. Less likely by the end of October. Less likely by Halloween. I'm only saying Halloween because, you know, it's like my feeling about the new moon. Something on the new moon. That's what I was saying. Because it's the new moon, the black moon, it's also the super moon. It's coming, when's it coming? Sunday at 4:26 a.m. There will be no moon. Right now it's 3%, waning crescent. So there's going to be a new moon that is maybe that's when Melissa will form. Maybe Melissa forms under the super moon. I've got a feeling there's something on the new moon. I don't think it's the Steamboat Geyser eruption. 29 is black. But it could be the Steamboat Geyser eruption, of course. 29 is black. It's the value of the word black. It's the black moon on the 29th. Jayton 46. Blonde is 47. Blonde. With no E on the end. No E on the end of the word blonde. It's like the twins, Daniel and Samuel, in Red Rain. Twin bulbs 122. 25. That's when it was. 25 was in the mix. It was the 25th of September 2019. 6:22. So the next eruption is the warning for Rebekah. Is it the time I said? Well, logically you'd say not much chance of that. 3% moon. Yeah, we'll see. There's only one name left. That's a name that I know is a good character in the tradition of religion, or anything else for that matter. And that's Rebekah. Rebekah. Red Rain. R.L. Stein. Rebekah. It's 8:48. Friday, 27th of September 2019. It's Rebekah. I've got a pretty strong feeling on that now, because she's the mother of the twins. She's the one who saves Jacob. So she's a good character. But in 2019, an evil hurricane. They all have their turn of being evil, eventually. Unless the world ends before their turn comes. Which is always possible. Increasingly likely, I suppose. 8:48. 8 written out as a word has a value of 49. Sign equals 49. A sign for hurricane. Hurricane. Oh yeah, we're looking at the radar. Hurricane Rebekah. 27th of the 9th, 2019. We were going to have a look at a radar. So why Halloween for Hurricane Rebekah? 10:42 Universal Time Coordinated is 20:42 Eastern Standard Time. Why Halloween? I don't know, just fits. Red Rain, twins, Jacob and Esau, the good character. Yeah, it does fit. It really fits. It fits perfectly. It's what's been in the back of my mind all along. Reflection 107. Jake aged 11. Reflection 107. Nathan aged 13. Twins 85. 85 days between Nathan's birthday and Jake's birthday. And 12 is the age in between. 12, Lorenzo. He's our storm at the moment.